Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your ads onto Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining just with Maps as a backdrop because I don't have the required accounts or services needed to actually fully integrate this, nor do I have a business, so it's going to be a bit tough for me, but I'll try and explain everything to you as best as I can using my own words. So, what you're going to need to do for this is you're going to need a Google Ads account, and you're also going to need a Google Business Center account as well. You need to have your business registered on the Business Center, and it needs to have the locations of the businesses over on that page and actually set up for your account. Now, once you have your business account set up, you're going to go over into Google Ads, and then you're going to go into Tools. From Tools, you're going to go ahead and search for a method to connect your Google Ads account and your Google Business Manager account, and it's under Tools. Forget which section it is. Probably popular products, I'm pretty sure, or popular additions or anything of the sort. It's called something like that. You just need to set up, click on your Google business account, and then enter all the data to connect the two. Once you've connected the two, it's really easy from there on. What you need to do once you've connected your ads and your business account, you need to go back into ads, and you're going to go into campaigns. From there, you're going to need to go into assets, and once you're in assets, you will have the option to add the location of all of your stores, and that is pretty much it. Once you add the location, since it's connected to your business account, it will be automatically filled out, and then it's just a classic search campaign that you're setting up, and that search campaign is what's going to set up your ads on Google Maps. For example, if I go to any hotel, for example, you'll see some sponsorships or ads for booking these services, and yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.